Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a professional day trader and a professional swing trader. I day trade the stock market Monday through Friday, and I swing trade the crypto. So, if this is something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching the replay, you can actually hit settings and hit speed, and you can speed up the time 1.5 or 2 if you are watching the replay. So shout out to you guys that's watching the replay. And during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, so overall, guys, let's get this party started and let's go over some charts real quick, and let's talk about the overall crypto market. So guys, let's get this party started. Okay. What's going on, Dom? What's going on, Mr. 66? What's going on, Mason? All right. What's going on, Dom? Dom, you was on vacation or no? So guys, the overall market, Bitcoin is showing, buyers is stepping in. We talked about this yesterday, or was it yesterday or day before yesterday? We definitely expect another move up. So that's what Bitcoin looking like it's trying to do. The overall volume is still low. The market cap is still at 292 billion. That 300 billion is actually a resistance level. So Bitcoin really, every time it tests that 300 billion, can't really stay above that level for a long time. So that's definitely a resistance level. So you're still on vacation. So where exactly are you at, Dom? Have to be up in 6 hours in the sunrise. I hear you, man. What's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on, Glenn? So yes, guys, overall, this 300 billion is actually still resistance. For some reason, the market doesn't want to stay above that level. Okay, for right now. So we'll see. We'll see. Bitcoin dominance is growing. Right now is at 48%. Most likely is going to get to either 49 or 50%. So if Bitcoin basically make another pop up, I'm guessing that the altcoins are going to stay where they at. They're not going to go anywhere. Okay, they're going to still consolidate, do nothing. Bitcoin is going to go up a little bit, and the altcoins is going to just stay where they at right now, and most likely the dominance is going to go to either 49 or 50. Okay. But shout out to everybody that's here in the building. Smash these likes, like Leslie Savage said. Hey, what's going on, Randy? Okay. You said you're going to take some pictures. All right. Shout out to you. Good to see that you are on vacation. So let's look at Bitcoin volume right now. It's still, still low to me. 5 billion is nothing. Yeah, so 4 billion, 3 billion, 5 billion. Yeah, so it's still low. So like I said before, I do expect some type of up move, and that's when Bitcoin will reveal everything. Okay, the reason why I'm saying that is because if it goes up and it drops right back down, that tells me that it's weak. Okay, don't want to go up higher. But if it goes up, consolidate, and goes up more, that means that it wanted to test another level. But overall, guys, we are still in a bear market. and that's what it is. So let's erase that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see Friday, Ben. I will have the course. So you said Friday you will get the course. That's what you said, Randy? You said Ethereum BTC is looking for a good short. Let me see. Sheesh. That joint dropped like crazy. Yeah, it's dropping, all right. It's dropping, all right. Dropping nice. I'm looking at these levels. There's a lot of money right here. Randy said, I've been here for months. Dom, trust me, I know. Had to get things situated. All the lessons every day. Yes, sir, Ben. Okay, no problem. So shout out to Randy. Shout out to Randy. He actually wanted to get the course on Friday, so shout out to him. But yes, it's a lot of money to be made. Let me see LTC, BTC. Ridiculous. Just been dropping like crazy. It's going to 4 hour. Wow. So I'm looking at these questions. I didn't. So you said I didn't want to take any risks. This time I cashed out at 82 and made some profits. No more buy and hold forever. Hell no. So Dom, where did you buy where did you get in at when it for Bitcoin? So guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. Right now, the market is in, you know, it's overall still in the bear market. We are at this key level right here. I do expect one more pop up, and then after that, we will see what Bitcoin wants to do. And that's, I mean, that's pretty much it right now when it comes to the overall market. But the altcoins right now, it's just kind of suspect, right? Bitcoin is going up, it's holding its gains, and the altcoins is looking trash. So let's look at TRX real quick. July 30th. I know a couple of people asked me about TRX the other day, and I told them that, okay, TRX is known for pumping before the news and then dropping. Okay, so I told them, because they say, you know, it looks like TRX is going to make a move. I said, just be careful, because TRX is known for pumping and dumping before and after the news. So I told them that we have resistance right here. I said, even if TRX goes up, this right here is a resistance line. And that's exactly what happened. As soon as we hit this line right here, guys, as soon as we hit this resistance line, boom, shot right back down. shot right back down. So that's what's going on with TRX. Leslie Sarah said Bitcoin is on its way for 5K. Yeah. We just have to wait. I don't know if they want to drop it with some new. I don't know if they want to have news come out and drop it like that, or they just gonna, drop it regular, like just go down. But overall, yes, it's still in the bear market, and most likely we're gonna continue to go down to test the lows and go down more. Jay who said, "Damn, shorts are losers." What do you mean by that, Jay? Jay, what do you mean by shorts are losers? You made 178 from TRX. On the long side or the short side, Glenn? You said that he's a troll. Yeah, I want to see, because a lot of people, they say things, but they don't. When I ask them a question, they don't answer me back. So Jay Hughes, let me know why are shorts are for losers. Why shorts are for losers? Jay Hughes just said, I mean, you hold on to great projects. Okay. Well, Jay Hughes, you have to understand that there's multiple ways to make money in this market. It's not all about buy and hold, Jay Hughes. Okay, so you can say yes, if you believe in a project, or if you want to do a long-term hold, you can do that. No one's telling you, to not do that, but you have to understand that there's multiple ways to make money. Okay, and some people don't want to deal with these swings. Okay, you have to understand, some people bought Bitcoin at 19K. So you try to convince that person to believe in a project and hold it long term. You can't convince that person that, because you can't convince those people, because they are down a lot. So saying that shorters are for losers, it's not. It doesn't help your situation. But you have to understand that we are here to make money. It doesn't matter if we short or we go long. It doesn't matter. People think that shorters are bad. They are not bad. Shorters are not bad, because you have to understand that the market has cycles. Okay, I was reading a comment not too long ago, and someone said you short in the market is not going to help the coin. And what they don't understand is, me short in the market doesn't bring down the market. Okay, me short in the market doesn't bring down the market, because I don't have enough money to bring down the market. You don't have enough money to bring down the market. No one on this chat room has enough money to bring down the market. The market is going to go down regardless if you like it or not. So instead of crying about it, I'd rather make money on the short side. So me short in the market has nothing to do with the market going down. It's going to go down regardless if I short or not. So you have to understand that the investing world is all about making money. It's not about who's right, who's wrong. It's not about if you love the project or not. It's about, how can I make this money? Let me see if I see any questions. And if you are new to my channel, definitely hit me up. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this 10 years plus. So let me know if you have any questions. So Glenn shorted TRX yesterday, and honestly, I should have shorted TRX yesterday too, because TRX has a pattern. TRX has a pattern that you know, every time it comes out with some stupid news, it pumps and then it dumps. So someone asked me about Tron the other day. They said, do you think it's gonna go up? I said, hey man, first of all, in order for Tron to go up, we have to pass this resistance line, okay? If you notice that Tron went to this resistance line right here, and then it flopped right back down. So one of my students, Glenn, basically took advantage of that and made $178. So I'm going to hit that cha-ching button for him, because he recognized that Tron pumps and dumps every time it has some news. So shout out to Glenn for making this money, right? Shout out to him, because you have to understand, people are losing money right now, and he's making money. So shout out to you. Walter said I made an easy 160 off that triangle yesterday. Shout out to Walter. Walter making his money in his bear market. Shout out to him. All right, this is what I'm talking about, guys. It's not all about buying and holding, man. It's not all about buying and holding, guys. This is what I'm talking about. I'm glad to see people, you know, start to wake up and realize that, guys, there's some money to be made right now. A lot of people are sitting and waiting, hoping and wishing, you know, they waiting for the ETF to come out or whatever to come out. While they waiting, they don't understand they can make money right now. So shout out to Walter to make he's making his money. He made, what is that, 160. So shout out to him, man. That's what's up. Let me see if I see anything. Smash these likes. Smash these likes, yes. GRA said I made 296 on my demo today, and it sent 700 to my real one, and sent $700 to my real one to get paid, y'all. So shout out to him. GR8 making his money on that demo. Shout out to Dom. Dom said it the best. Dom said it the best. Dom said, hey, Jay Hughes, there's not even a single well in this channel, okay? There's no bear, not bulls. There's no bears, not bulls, no bulls. I guess that's what he meant to say. We just go with the flow. So shout out to Dom. Dom said it the best. We are not bears or bulls, okay? We just go with the flow. And if you can't understand that, then I'm sorry that you can't understand that. You have to understand that there's multiple ways to make money, you know? And that's how the market works. That's how the market has these swings and volatility, because of traders like us. We love to take advantage of these swings. So shout out to Dom. Let me see. What's going on, Cedric? Shout out to Cedric. Woo! These guys, man, you guys are making this money out here, B. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Cedric, making $200 shorting Ethereum. Shorting that Ethereum, guys. Shorting that ETH. Let's go. Woo! These guys making this money out here. That's what's up. That's what's up. I like to see that. I definitely like to see that. Everybody making this money. Shout out to all y'all guys. What's going on, G Slick? Getting these bags out here, right? Getting these bags. Woo! G Slick said he's up over 2,500 in 3 days, man. Woo! Y'all boys getting this money out here. Goodness gracious. This is what's up. I like to see this. I like to see this. I like to see that. And a lot of people hate when I shout out people that's making this money, but I can't I can't stop, you know, because if someone making money, right, you have to understand that a lot of people been losing money from this bear market. So seeing people making money is a good thing. So I shout out everybody that's making this money. A lot of people on the replay don't like it. They want me to just talk about the news and the charts. But I love to shout out the people that's making this money, man. Shout out to y'all guys. Hey, what's going on, Nat? How high did it set his volume for TRX? Today was a great day for shorting. Thanks, Ben. Yes, today was a great day. You said how high did he short? I don't know. You have to ask him. I don't know how high he set his volume for that TRX short, but I forgot who shorted. So whoever shorted TRX, how many contracts you put on? Did you use 01, 02? Annette wants to know. But yes, today was a good day for shorts with TRX, and I was telling people, guys, TRX has this resistance line right here, because a lot of people saw that we had this breakout. Automatically, they asked me, "Hey, do you think this could, go up more?" I said, "Well, anything is possible, but before Tron goes up, we have to pass this resistance line, okay?" And exactly that's what happened. And we hit that resistance line, and boom, we went right back down. So. And we all know what these altcoins do, okay? They don't follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin do another, does another up move, most likely these coins are not going to follow Bitcoin. So most likely Tron is not going to follow Bitcoin on that up move. Let me see. Ben, you got like 10 testimonials on this live stream alone. And yeah, no, I'm about to copy and paste those testimonials. Ah, man, it's crazy. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, if you are new to the channel, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate it. So let me just give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I'm reading these comments. And if you are new to my channel, definitely if you have any questions, let me know, because I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So if you have any questions, let me know. So let's see what's going on here. Let me see. All right, so what's going on? I believe how you say Ike Wood. You said what's considered a well? A well is a person that is able to move the market because he or she has enough money in the bank to do that. Okay, and usually the real wells are very connected. Okay, so they just don't have money. You know, they're not just rich. They are connected because most people don't understand that most people don't understand that there's a small tight group and behind the scenes with the cryptocurrencies. So a lot of these wells, they network and talk behind the scenes. So they they are connected. So that's the definition of a well. What's going on, 45? What's going on, James? Anybody that didn't expect Tron to plummet after the news suck is an idiot. Yo, chills. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. Well, I was telling people just be careful. I always tell people that, you know, I try not to. Lately, I'm trying not to bust a lot of people's dreams, you know. But you know, the way I tell people, just be careful. You know, if you want to invest more for the long term, just be careful, because you have to recognize that we are still in the bear market, no matter how hard or how far Bitcoin goes, because you have to understand the altcoins really didn't follow. Okay, the altcoins is not following Bitcoin right now, so that tells you right there that we are in a bear market. Now, in the past, Tron has a history of pumping and dumping. Okay, so that's why I tell people, you know, it's very good to study the charts, because the charts don't lie to you. Okay, so I was explaining to people yesterday, I believe, I think it was yesterday, that don't expect Tron to be mooning up, because in the past, you know, every time it comes out with something, boom, it just goes right back down. That's why I love to study the chart, study history, and I go from there. Let me see if I see. Y'all funny. Y'all funny. 45 put lipstick on Tron, you said? Y'all crazy. So Annette, he said my volume was 6 for Tron. So shout out to him. 6.0 or 6 or 0.06. Because Glenn, you have to make sure that you're saying it correctly. Do you mean 0.06 or do you mean 6.0? Let me see. Dom said it's nice to see Ben laughing and happiness, seeing people make this money. Yeah, man, you have to understand, these guys, people in general have been losing money. So Aaron said, what site do you use to short? I use JAFAX, or you can use BitMax, or whatever site. It doesn't matter what site you use at the end of the day. Aaron, do you have my course, Aaron? Aaron, do you have my course? Shout out to Aaron. Are you new to the channel, Aaron? Ikewood said, yo, what's good, Ikewood? Okay, Glenn, so 6.0, all right. So Aaron, so you're new to the channel, so everybody is talking about the reason why we know what to do, Aaron, because this course right here shows you everything. So that's why you're seeing people making money. And during the live stream, I give a 50% discount. Only on live stream though. Only on live stream I give a 50% discount. So if you don't have this yet, this is a must get. Is very affordable. So I'm gonna drop it down to 50% right now, just in case you don't have it. So I'm gonna copy and paste the link, and basically it will show you step by step. Oh, you have the course, Aaron? So Aaron, if you have the course, how come you asking us what site are we short, Aaron? But anyway, guys, if you don't have this course, definitely check it out, because this is why you see people on this live stream saying they made money. If you have any questions, let me know. This course will show you how to make money right now playing these swings. Okay, most people don't understand that you can actually play swings in the market. The market never goes straight up. It has swings. It has pullbacks. Okay, you can play these pullbacks and make money. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you don't have this course, definitely check it out. If you have a 9-to-5, you can still make this money. If you live in the United States, you can still short. You don't need 50K. You just need $50 to fund your account. So if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, so Aaron, if you have the course, Aaron, how come you're asking what site we use? I'm confused. That's all. I'm confused. But shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions for me, let me know. But Bitcoin overall looks like it's trying to make this another push up. The way I'm looking at it is we're probably going to push up to maybe 87, 88. And then probably find some type of resistance. Okay. But most likely wants to push up one more time. And then from there, we'll see. We'll see what's going on. But the altcoins right now, let's look at XRP. XRP was kind of suspect last time I looked at it. XRP was a little suspect. Yeah, so XRP, I told you guys that every time you see this, a drop, and then consolidation like this, I said that this usually means a continuation. Okay, so what we see now is we finally see XRP breaking out of this consolidation, and we just have to wait to see if we see more follow through, and yeah, more follow through with this move. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's go through there. Let me see. Yep. So Ethereum broke out of the channel right here. It's looking kind of weak. Litecoin. So Litecoin has this resistance right here, and it's kind of weak. It's almost similar to a setup like Tron. I got this resistance right here. Let me see if I see any questions. Oh, you said you haven't got that far. Okay, I hear you. Shout out to Aaron. Aaron said he didn't get that far yet. Dom said XRP looks disgusting. Yes, man, it looks disgusting. I mean disgusting. And you said that's a bear flag is going to drop to 26. Oh man, shout out to Dom. Dom said he says it's going to drop to 26. Oh man, yo, all the XRP guys are going to get you, Dom. They going to get you. They going to attack you right now. Oh man, that's funny. So yeah, XRP looking weak, looking real weak. So it looks like the whole crypto world is waiting for some news. That's what it's looking like. It's looking like waiting for some news. Overall, I don't know if we're gonna get any news in August because they pushed back the date with that. They pushed back the date with the ETF. So I don't know if we're gonna get any crazy news in August, but it looks like the whole thing is setting up for some type of news. Let me see any questions. You said XRP is a flop. Somebody said XRP is a scam. For you guys that's new to my channel, welcome. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going through these questions right now. Somebody said Neb. Let me see. Yeah, so this one had a resistance right here, and then it fell. It is setting up almost like these other ones where it has like a flag situation going on, where it dropped and it's consolidating down. So you see the drop right here. You see the drop. You see the channel right here. Okay. So, you know, these altcoins is looking weak right now. You know, it's sad. It's sad, but you know, what can I do? G Slick said, I'm feeling the same about Tron. I hear you, man. I hear you. People don't understand that in the bear market, man, things are just brutal. Yeah, no problem, Alex. No problem. Hey, what's going on, 9/11? Check it in. Thanks a lot for coming through. What's going on, Flex? You shorting the hell out of XRP 25X. Damn. So shout out to Flex. He's shorting the hell out of XRP. He feels that XRP. He feels XRP is a scam and is going to zero. Oh man, this is too funny. You guys, I hear you, man. Yeah, XRP looking weak right now. It's in the got a bear flag, so most likely because all these altcoins are just weak right now. And when I think the next time XRP drops below here, it's going to be ugly. So the next time XRP drops below, what I believe, what is it, 41 cents or something like that, it's probably going to be like a crazy blast down. Let me see. Yeah, man. What's going on, Tim? Okay, I hear you, Tim. That's what's up. You said I use your teaching to trade alts against themselves and accumulate more. That's what's up, man. I hear that. Good to hear. Get to see that, Tim. Shout out to everybody that's making this money. Shout out to Tim for using my strategies, getting the course. So shout out to him. Walter said, "Do you see another pump from Tron on a 1 hour?" Nah, I think Tron. I don't think it's gonna pump again. I don't think so. Let me just check. Let's check the 1 hour pump. Nah, I don't see no pump. Not to the upside. Not right now. Not right now. I don't see nothing right now on the upside. Um, 911 said, I got an email from JaffX that you can open up an account with only $10. FYI. So shout out to 911 for sharing that. G Slick said I had 100,000 TRX at one time and I dropped all of them a long time ago. I hear that, man. I hear that. So shout out to everybody that's here. I'm reading these comments. Dom said they might shut down my channel due to people shorting all the time, crashing the market. Oh man, that's funny. Now we not crashing the market. We just going along with it. Let me see. So BTC is trying to go up one more time. And it looks like it's going to do it. All these moves right here is just crazy, guys. That's why, you know, it's just crazy. You know, it pops up, drops, pops real quick. So let me see what you guys saying in the chat room. Fisherman, what's going on? How you doing? You said how Binance charts is doing? What I'm on a 1 hour? How's your guys summer doing so far? I mean, what, next week? Oh, actually this week it's going to be August. How's your guys summer so far? Are you enjoying your summer so far? So Binance Coin overall, we broke this channel, this long channel that we was in. We broke it, and it has resistance right here. It's hitting this resistance 1, 2, 3. Every time it's hitting this level right here, it's rejecting this level. So Binance Coin has to go above that level. We have 3 rejections. 1, 2, and 3. So this is a strong level when it comes to Binance Coin. So it has to go above that level and stay above that level. Tim said, dude, it was so predictable. Man, shout out to you guys that's making this money. They said that Tron was so predictable because it always pumps and dumps. And you're right about that. This is why I tell people just be careful. You know, I know some people asked me yesterday, do you think this thing will go up? Should I buy some more? Or, you know, just like that. But, you know, it's just be careful because we are still in the bear market and things could get weak. Booker said BTC is going to make one final move up and continue with the bearish trend. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. You know, a lot of people just don't understand that we are still in the bear market. We are still lower lows, lower highs. We basically hit this key level off this triangle right here. So I'm guessing we having one more push up. Most likely this push up is not going to go that far. I'm thinking maybe 88, 89, maybe. But overall, like I said before, this is when the party starts, because this is going to show us if Bitcoin wants to go up more or wants to go down, okay? So I'm waiting for that next pump, and that pump will show us if this Bitcoin has enough legs to go up some more, because it will probably hold its gains and then go up more, or most likely you'll see some sellers come in and just drop. Great summer so far. Shout out to Dom. He said that his summer been good. Fisherman said good too. That's good. Me personally, I haven't really done anything this summer. Just chill out with family. That's about it. But I actually want to go on a cruise. You said XRP and Tron just keep on dangling the carrot string. Yeah, man, I hear you. I hear you. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. Don't be shy. Let me know. And if you don't have this course by now, definitely check this out, because it is a 50% discount on this live stream, and when I get off, it's going right back up to 210. I have a lot of testimonials. Actually, I had at least 5 testimonials today on this live stream. People making money, and I'm telling people all the time that you are leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't take advantage of these short-term swings. So let me copy and paste these. Paste this link for the people that don't have it. You said you're gonna Dom said he's gonna update his tan. I hear that. $40. Man, 40 degrees? That's crazy. You said, Booker said 88 is my target. Yeah, 88. You know, I'm looking at 88. I'm looking at, first I'm looking at 87, 88, and 89. One of those two. One of those two. And if you notice, every time we go up, you know, that 300 billion, it was a resistance line, so keep that in mind too. Keep that in mind. All right, let's see. Fisherman said, I've been fishing with my family this summer. Shout out to Fisherman. I would love to go fishing. So how often you go fishing, fisherman? G Slick said it's cold in Austin. Oh man, that's crazy. Our, you said our summer is hot. Okay, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, over here it's hot too, man. It's real hot. It's hard to work. I mean, it's hard to walk on the streets. I'm always looking for AC. I'm reading these comments, so if you have any questions, let me know. You said, yeah, I know, cause and also girlfriend in the last. You said girlfriend in the past. Okay. I hear you. So yeah, guys. Overall, the market the altcoins is still weak. I mean, look at these guys. Look at these altcoins, still weak. Bitcoin is only the one that's really trying to hold its gains, and you know it's a sad situation because you have these people out here that are looking to either at least make some money with these altcoins or something, but the market's not doing anything. It's just dropping. So that's telling me right there that the market wants to continue to go down more because this I mean, ever since we've been in the bear market, we didn't have this. Okay, we didn't have this disconnection. Okay, so right now, if you just look at the overall market, you can just tell that it's weak. You can tell it's weak, and you can tell that there's no real new buyers in the market. So they can't continue to do this. They can't continue to prop up Bitcoin like this without any new buyers. It just can't. They can't continue to do that. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot for coming through. Appreciate it. But yeah, guys, a lot of people are waiting for these ETF. They think the ETF is going to save the market. But what I say to everybody is don't look for the ETF to save you. Save yourself. That's the best way to save. You know, that's the best person to look to is yourself. Because you're the only one that's gonna help yourself make this money. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see. I study fishing when I'm not with the guys. Okay. Shout out to Fisherman. I want to, Dom. I want to. Grill snapper with mango salsa every day down here. Shout out to 911. That's, you know, that's what's up. Fisherman be fishing these cryptos. So, you know, this market with the volume, you know, it can't just continue to go up like this. To me, it's not healthy. Okay, the market just can't continue to go up with these big blasts and, you know, turn bullish like this. If you go in the past, you look at it, it's the same pattern. That's all it is. It look like these swings are getting lower and lower. Okay, we had this swing right here. Then we had another one right here. And then we have this one right here. So for you guys that want to buy up this market, just be careful. G Slick said he's in Sydney, so shout out to him. You should, man, I should be at work. What do you mean? You should be at work. You're not at work right now? You should be at work, or you late? So, another reason why Bitcoin needs to go down more, because a lot of these altcoins are overvalued and they need to, some of these coins need to go to zero. Some of these coins are trash. Just what it is. You know it. I know it. So that's why it's very hard for me to see that Bitcoin will continue to go up. Because if Bitcoin continue to go up, then these altcoins will survive. But in order for Bitcoin to turn bullish, we have to hit 10,000 and hold that level. You said I had a sick day today. Okay. So was you really sick today though? G Slick called in sick because the stream came on? Oh, I hope not. I hope not, man. I hope not, because this is going to be a short stream. It's going to be a short stream, G Slick. I hope not. It's all good though. I'm reading these comments. So Richard said, I'm new to the charts, especially short and teach. All right. So Richard, are you new? Are you new to my channel, Richard? Are you new to my channel, Richard? Shout out to Richard. Thanks a lot for coming through if you are new. All right. So shout out to Richard. He's new to the channel. Yeah, Richard. So, shorting is not that hard. It's just basically the opposite of buying the market. Okay. So right now we are in the bear market, and when this thing continues to go down, you have to look for different setups. Okay. We've been short in the market last month, so. You could just get into the short by playing these swings, okay? Playing these swings, playing the pullbacks. And basically, you're just going to need a broker that will help you short. And that's it. It's not complicated. If you don't have my course, definitely check that out, because it will show you step by step everything you will need step by step. Okay, but this course is not only about shorting. It shows you how to make money on the long side too. So if the market going up, it shows you how to make money with that too. And during this live stream, I have a 50% discount, so you definitely want to check that out, because when I get off a live stream, it's going right back up to 210. So shout out to you, Richard. Thanks a lot for coming through. That's the link if you don't have it. You said which exchange? I use JAFAX, but you can use BitMEX. You can use whoever. Doesn't matter. But what matters the most is the techniques and how you look at the market. A lot of my students been making money on the downside, and some been making money on the upside too. But once this market cracks down, trust me, guys, there's a lot of money to be made, because when it cracks down, most likely we looking to head to at least 4,000, or all the way down to 3,000. So that's a lot of money to be made. There's a lot of money right there. So for you guys that don't know how to do that, that's something that you should try to learn. So Richard said he's from NY. What part of NY you from, Richard? Booker said 10K would be big. We could possibly see the FOMO. Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you, Booker. Honestly, I don't think 10K. I don't think we're gonna get there. I'm just saying that if we do get there, for us to turn bullish, we have to hold that level. But overall, yes, I believe that we will continue to resume and continue to go down for the rest of the year. They just holding this up, in my opinion. They just holding the market up right now. I guess they waiting for some type of news to bring it down, but we'll see. But overall, yes, I don't think this thing has any legs right now. The volume is so low. It's really no new buyers in here. The big dogs seem like they don't really want to buy this market. And yes, Far Rockaway Queens. Shout out to Richard. Far Rockaway Queens. I used to live in Far Rockaway when I was little. When I was like, I think I was around like 4 years old. I used to live in Far Rockaway. I moved when I was 7 years old. I think it was man, what was this? I think Central Avenue. I used to live on Central Avenue. Richard. Okay, Edgemont. Okay, yeah. So you should know. So Flex, you from Rosedale? You from Rosedale, Queens, Flex? Jamaica Avenue. Shout out to Flex. I used to live out there too. Queens, what's up? Queens in the house. That's good to see these Queens brothers. What part of Rosedale? What part of Rosedale you at, Flex? Randy said Boogie Down Bronx. Shout out to you, Randy. Oh, so around the corner from the mall. Okay, that's what's up, man. I heard that mall. No, I heard the movie theater. The movie theater is not there no more, right? Flex, the movie theater is not there no more. So shout out to you guys. If you're new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, the mall. Yeah, it's closed down. Yup. I went to Queens last year. New York tour now. I know, right? So shout out to you guys. Like I said before, if you don't have this course, this is a must get. I mean, must. This right here, the course is a must right here. You should check it out. Bitcoin right now is basically, it's holding its gains, and it looks like it's trying to pop up one more time. So definitely we should, most likely, if it does pop up, it's probably gonna do another big bar, and then probably to 87, 88, and we'll see what's gonna happen from there. Definitely expect some type of selling soon, though. I definitely expect some type of selling soon. The altcoins looking weak, so be careful. I know a lot of people automatically looking at these altcoins and saying, you know, they had some good prices, but you know, you have to understand that we are in the bear market, so be careful, because I know a lot of people are loading up saying that these altcoins are weak, and they most likely they're gonna have a run, since they didn't have a run yet. But you know, don't think like that, because Bitcoin right now is just, it seems like it's just pumping. Dom said, I would love to visit New York. Shorten will help to make more money. Shout out to Dom. Randy said, I'll be there in 2 months. Oh, that's what's up. Summertime in NYC is something special. Yes. Richard said, I'm holding my alts for 3 years, son. All right. Yeah, Richard. So, even if you're holding your altcoins, it doesn't matter. I told you guys, it doesn't matter. If you're holding your altcoins, it's still, you can still make money on the side. So you can have two strategies. Okay. What we do, Richard, what we do here is we play these swings. Okay, we play these swings right here. So we play these swings that always goes on in the market, because the market never goes down in a straight line. It always pulls back. So we play these swings. Some of my students play these up moves. It's up to you, but overall, the market is bearish. So I'm looking for the market to go down a little bit more, but you can play the swings to the upside or to the downside, and you know, create that monthly income that you're looking for. Because most people, what they do is they just wait and hold and wait for a bull market, and it could be, you know, we don't know when the bull market is going to come. So instead of waiting, because you've been waiting for 8 months, instead of waiting, you can actually make money now. Okay, so that's what my students been doing. We've been making money now. So check out this course, because I'm about to get off a live stream soon, and once I get off, it's going right back to 210. You said, what's up, Exposed Wiz? Oh, what's going on, Exposed? I ain't see you. Fake news. Yeah, if you yes, if you own the link right now, basically you can hit the buy now button. And they sent you to like a PayPal. You can do PayPal, use your debit card or credit card through them, and you know, you get it right away. But you know, overall, me and my students been making money. You can look at the testimonials. Students been making money. So shout out to you, Richard. Thanks a lot. Let me see what's going on, Christopher. You want to view the video? Yeah, you can view the video and you can read the testimonials. I have a lot of testimonials. But just to let you know that once I get off, of this live stream, Richard, if you don't want to pay the full price, which is 210, if you don't mind paying that price, then that's fine, okay? But if you don't, just keep that in mind, because once I get off of this stream, it's going right back to 210. What's going on, Christopher? Christopher said, once again, thanks to Ben Course, sold the TRX pump and bought it back to increase my position the next pump. So shout out to Christopher, said keywords is take profits. So shout out to him. He made some profits. Okay, let me hit that cha-ching button. Christopher is one of my students. Christopher is one of my students, and basically he's making his money. So shout out to him. All right. Richard said, I subscribe, but I look into how I spend my money. Yeah, no problem, Richard. You can look into it. You don't have to rush. I'm just giving you an option. At the end of the day, it's up to you what you want to do. Let me see. Shout out to Dom. Dom said he's going to bed. He said it's about to be sunrise in another 3 hours. He said he's going to email me with some pics. So shout out to him. Thanks a lot. Good night, Dom. Christopher said, sell high, buy the corrections. One thing I learned from Ben, that has helped me so much, is to take profits in the market as always corrected. So shout out to Christopher making his money. Okay, he understands that taking profits is a key, because a lot of people don't understand that the market moves in waves, especially in the bear market. You know, like this TRX dump right here. You know, a lot of people don't understand that. I remember some people asked me yesterday, was this a good buy? I said, me personally, I'm not buying anything right now. But you know, if you want to buy this, be careful, because we have this rejection, or I mean, this resistance line right here. So as soon as Tron hit this resistance line, guess what, guys? It sold right off. So shout out to Christopher for taking his profits. Richard said you take BTC. Yeah, I do take it, Richard. But you had to email me if you want to do that. Okay, so I'll give you my email address if you want to go that route. So let me give you my email address if you want to go that route. I'll give you the instructions. So I just gave you my email address if you want to go that route. Rufus said the course is definitely worth it. The price anymore, exactly. So, yes, if you email me, today, it would be for that 110. Yes. You said Yahoo changed that? Why I had to change Yahoo for? What's going on with Yahoo? Shout out to Buddy. Shout out to Buddy. Said you said it seems old. Nah, I have a Gmail, but I don't have a Gmail for I have a Gmail, but the Yahoo is the one I basically, you know, take all my emails with. I mean, you know, for the people that's have any questions, they send me all the questions through the Yahoo. Buddy said he's taking a breather with BTC margin trades. Yeah, shout out to Buddy. Yeah, yeah, you can wait for a clear trade. Yes. Yeah, Yahoo is old, but I have multiple Gmails. This is only for people that want to get in contact with me. But anyway, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. You said what platform I'm using again? This is tradingview.com right here. This is tradingview.com. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm about to get off here soon. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So if you have any questions about the charts, let me know. Overall, the crypto market is slow right now. BTC is going up. Actually, I would like to say is pumping, because this doesn't look like a real up move. And the altcoins are just sluggish right now. So eventually the sellers most likely will come when it comes to Bitcoin. And it might come heavy because the altcoins are, you know, are basically is looking like a leading indicator right now. For trading, JAFAX, you can use JAFAX, you can use BitMEX, you can use any platform that allows you to short. I use JAFAX right now. Walter said it's close to it's close enough to August. I'll give you 11 years. What do you mean 11 years? Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about. I hear you. Shout out to Walter. Shout out to Walter. 911 said, what supports the 88 move? What do you mean by that? What supports it? I don't know what you mean by that. 911. What do you mean by what supports it? Shout out to 911. Oh, so you using Coinbase Pro and it's trash. Got to move to another one. Yeah, I heard Coinbase Pro is trash. Someone else told me about that. Coinbase Pro is trash. I heard about that. Shout out to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Uh, 911. What do you mean by support 88 move? So Buddy said, what I think about the BTC dominance. Will the OS make another comeback this year? That's hard to say. Okay, that's very hard to say. The dominance can mean two things. Oh, well, actually one thing. It can mean that the altcoins are a leading indicator. And they basically telling us the real the real story, meaning that most likely we're going to continue to go back down, and Bitcoin is just pumping up just to get people excited, or the altcoin might catch up to Bitcoin, and we continue to go back up. But overall, right now, it doesn't look like that, because all I'm seeing is flag patterns, bear flag patterns with these altcoins, and different bearish signs that doesn't look bullish at all. So overall, are they going to catch up by this end of this year? I'm not too sure. It's all depends on Bitcoin, but I'll tell you this much: if Bitcoin makes another drop down, then no, most likely they are going to continue to go back down. But Bitcoin, most likely, we're going to see probably 49% or 50% when it comes to the dominance. People don't understand that a lot of these altcoins have to go to zero. A lot. So the dominance actually might go more than 50%. I'm just saying right now, short term, you see 50%, but overall, when this market continue to drop, you'll definitely see Bitcoin going up much higher. Let me see. So 9/11 said, so 80% dominance this year. Okay, so shout out to Buddy. I didn't know that. So 80%, Bitcoin was 80% this time last year. So yes, so that proves what I just said. So right now we see 48. Right now we see 48. Most likely, I said we see 49, 50, maybe very soon. But in the future, we're going to see more than that, because you have to understand that these altcoins a lot of these altcoins have to go to zero. So yes, seeing Bitcoin going to 80% again is doable. Oh, what's going on, Mr. Sandy? So 9/11 said, what makes you say BTC will go up to 88? So because I believe that we will get another push up. Okay, I believe we're going to get another push up, because it looks like that. It looks like Bitcoin wants to go up one more time. It wants to go up one more time. I mean, we try to sell multiple times, right? We try to sell multiple times, and every time we sell, the buyers come right back in. So I'm thinking that we're going to go up one more time, and since we're going up one more time, 87 and 88 looks good. Looks like a level where Bitcoin will probably go to. If we go up one more time, I don't think we're going to go that high. Well, put like this. I want to see how Bitcoin goes up, and if it wants to hold the gains. If not, most likely it's going to reverse right back down. Let me see if I see any questions. Mr. Sandy said these altcoins are dropping like flies. Yeah, man, it's ridiculous. These altcoins are dropping like crazy, man. Let me see if I see any questions here. What's going on, Crypto Fingers? $88 did a double top. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that double top. Definitely waiting for that double top. Definitely waiting for that double top. There's really no new money in this market right now. There's no really new money. If you notice how Bitcoin is going up, all these altcoins going up, they're not really going up like before, guys. Remember the crazy moves that we used to have before? 20% in one day, 30% one day. Some moves 40%. We don't have those crazy moves like that no more. The market is weak. There's no really new buyers in here. They holding the market up by pumping it up. Yeah, those were the days, exactly. Those were the days when, yeah, you know, where we saw crazy gains, guys. Every day it was just nuts. A lot of people took it for granted, all right? A lot of people took it for granted because they, you know, this is why it's very good to take profits, because you can always come back in the market. You can always come back in the market. So take your profits. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. XRP is at 44 cents. I remember XRP was at almost, what, $4? Crazy. What about Dash? Dash was at like 700 or something, right? So yeah, a lot of these coins that you see right here on the first page, a lot of these coins are going to zero. A lot of these coins are going bye-bye. Let me see. Yes, down moves can be a profitable tool. Yes, because number one, a lot of you guys are using margin. So yes, of course, down moves could definitely be profitable. Booker said no, but no one seemed to realize that that straight line on a day chart wasn't sustainable. Exactly. So you know, you have to understand a lot of rookies are in this market. A lot of rookies are in this market, so they think that the market will continue to go up. All right, they think that every year the market will just magically go up. You know, this is not sustainable. When you have a run like this going nuts, it's not sustainable. That's why we have to have these pullbacks right here that we're having right now, because that's not sustainable, and you have to understand what's going on as an investor. That's your duty. That's, you know, that's one of your one of the things that you just have to, you know about. You have to know what's going on if you are an investor. So most people don't know what's going on. They think that we're going to 50K every year, right? Every year they think that we're going to go up, multiply another 40K, 30K, but it doesn't work like that. Some years we're just going to have down years where just the market goes down. And unfortunately, this is one of those years. Let me see if I see any questions. About to get out of here soon. If anybody have some questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. About to get out of here. Look at some charts. Yeah, I remember those days, man, when the market was just going nuts. The market was going nuts, guys. I remember those days. 40%, 50%, 100%. It was nuts. A lot of people was making a lot of money, but you know, just like you can make money, you can lose money too if you don't understand how to take profits. Because think about it, guys. You know, if this market goes all the way down to 2K, a lot of people are going going to be hurt from that. Okay. So let me see, when the Asian money comes in, do you think BTC or will Tron? You said when the new Asian money comes in, do you think it comes in on BTC or will it come in on Tron? So you said the new Asian money. What new Asian money are you talking about? Yo, crypto fingers. What new Asian money are you talking about? So it doesn't matter what money comes in. Um, is it coming from BTC or is coming? Well, we don't know if it's gonna come from BTC, Tron. You know. But what new Asian money are you talking about? Some of these coins, guys, we don't even know some of these coins. Well, I don't know some of these coins. I never really studied some of these coins, and a lot of these coins are worth a lot, and they're not really doing anything. Okay, so that's why these coins have to go down. You said when the whales from Asia purchase cryptocurrencies, do you think they will purchase our coin from their country, or they just buy the BTC? Um, I still don't understand the question. You said that they will purchase our coin. We don't have a coin. That's what I'm trying to understand. Like, we don't have a coin. You said, do you think they are purchasing our coin from their country, or do they just buy BTC? Our coin. What coin do we have? Exchange traded funds bring new money, buddy. New money in this market, like real money. I don't know if I see it yet because this market is not regulated yet. You said sorry. I'm driving and it's autocorrect. It's messing up. All right, no problem. Crypto fingers. I understand. I understand. So shout out to guys. Shout out to Cupcake. Cupcake is one of my female students. She one of my female students. She said, "Hey Ben, just stopping by, still making money from your course. Thanks." Shout out to Cupcake. I didn't see you. You know, for a long time. So shout out to you. She's actually one of my loyal subscribers. So shout out to her for making this money. Let me give her a round of applause. All right, so Cupcake is still making his money. That's what's up. I'm glad to hear that, because a lot of people just don't understand that there's a lot of money out here. So shout out to her for making his money. I'm glad to see that, Cupcake. I'm glad to see you in the on the live stream right now. She said, "Sorry, I didn't mean to get the course and disappear." Nah, it's all good. I know you probably working, right? You probably working. It's all good. I understand. You probably working. $45 said, "Our barbecue coin. Don't call it a comeback." That's crazy. So yeah, the Asian market. I don't know what you're talking about, but basically, even, you know, the Asian market is not really going to help bring up this market. We're gonna need a lot of big. We're gonna need big money to bring this market up. Big money. So right now the market is still weak. It's just what it is. But overall, I believe this market needs to reset. Just to get out a lot of these coins that are garbage, and they just a whole bunch of scams out here. So shout out to everybody that's on my channel right now. I'm about to get off soon. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see anything that I missed. Yeah, so I don't see no questions that I missed. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Overall, just be careful, guys. Right now, the 300 billion right now is still a resistance line. Most likely the dominance will continue to go up. So the reason, you know, put like this, most likely the dominance will continue to go up. So don't expect the altcoins to make a crazy run up. I think they will continue to lag, and I think Bitcoin will continue, the dominance will continue to rise. You will see a lot of these coins disappear and go away, and that's what happens in the bear market. It's just what it is. But he said, doesn't ETF come along with the certain regulations if sex approve it? Has to meet certain standards. No, it doesn't mean that the overall market is regulated. But, you know, we'll see if it's approved. But yes, it has to meet certain regulations. But the overall market itself, cryptocurrency, is not regulated. Vape said, I picked up 3 coins on Tron a couple of weeks ago. It was going up today. guess I have to hold them for a while longer. Vape. Are you new to my channel, Vape? Over here right now this year, we don't really buy and hope like that. Okay. Are you new to my channel, Vape? Okay, yes. So Vape, over here we don't really buy. I mean, we don't you know don't get it twisted. Like we do hold coins, but we don't pick up coins and hold them like the rest of the crypto world. Right now, the way we are making money, we're making money short term. So we have some people that basically are holding coins, but in the meanwhile we are taking advantage of these swings that's in the market. Okay, so you can hold coins, but at the same time make money every single month by taking advantage of these swings. So shout out to Vape. Thanks a lot for coming through. I'm about to get off this channel, Vape, but if you check this out right here, this is a course that shows you everything. It will show you how to become a professional, show you how to make money whether the market is going up or down, and it's only $110. It's actually 50% off. And when I get off the live stream, it's going right back to 210. So if you want to do that, you can check that out. But Vape, over here, we are making money right now. Okay, we're not buying coins and hoping that they will go up by next week. Okay, we are taking action and we are making money right now because we are not hoping and wishing. Okay, we don't do that over here. I'm a professional day trader and swing trader. I've been doing this for a couple of days now. I've been doing it for 11 years 11 years straight. So I look at the market a little bit differently than most people, and buying and holding is just one strategy. Most people in the crypto world just have that strategy, and you have to understand that that's just one strategy. You can make more money if you have multiple strategies, and one of the strategies you can have is taking advantage of these swings that's going on in the market. So shout out to you, Vape. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any more questions, let me know. If anybody else have any more questions, let me know. I'm about to get off this live stream. Yeah, so if you're new to crypto, most likely you only know about holding, buying and holding. And I'm telling you right now, that's a beginner strategy. Okay, that's why a lot of people right now don't know what's going on, but it's cool. At least you're getting into the investing world. But just let you know that that's a beginner strategy, and I guess the cons with that strategy is you have to deal with the cycles of the market. So whenever the market turn bearish, like what it's doing right now, we are in a bear market. You have to deal with that as an investor. You have to deal with these ups and downs, and the market going down even more. So you have to figure out if you want to be that type of investor, because for the most part, what I'm seeing in the crypto world is most people claim that they are long-term investors, claim that they are here for the technology, but at the same time, they get all crazy when they see the market goes down. So that's how I know they're not really a long-term investor or here for the technology, because they wouldn't get all crazy if the market goes down. So the way I see it is most people are not really long-term investors. They are short-term investors, but they only know about long-term strategies. So what I like to suggest is if you want to make money short-term, which I believe everybody does, right? Then you have to learn about taking advantage of these short-term swings. and you know, just study how the market works, study the charts. The charts will tell you everything. Okay, so just practice. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. If you have any questions before I go, let me know. But I'm about to get out here soon. Crypto Finger said, Ben, you give a sober perspective to crypto. People get us excited on YouTube, but you speak the truth. Thanks. Yeah, no problem, man. You know, overall, I've been doing this for so long that I've been doing this so long that I saw, or I continue to see a lot of tricks that these whales or these big dogs always play. All right, play with us. So they always basically give us hope, and always trying to make it seem like we're going to the moon, and then all of a sudden then they just sell on us. Okay, this is nothing new. So I'm just trying to give you guys I'm just trying to let you guys know what's really going on, because this is nothing new. Okay, I've been doing this for 11 years, so I saw everything, and the mistakes that you're making right now, trust me, I made them before. In a bear market, you just don't want to blindly keep buying just because you see a inverse head and shoulders or a triple bottom. Usually anything that's too obvious in a bear market usually is going to fail. So right now a lot of people is hyped. They claiming 50,000, but what I would like to say is, don't get too hyped. Wait for confirmation before we call this a bull market. Okay, they been playing us ever since February. Okay, we've been going up, and then we slam right back down. We go up, slam right back down. So why is this pullback different from these other two pullbacks? So just calm down, you know, and be patient. But anyway, guys, shout out to everybody that's here. Vape said I was up 8% on Tron yesterday and down 7% today. 7% today. Was thinking it was going to pop. So shout out to him. He said he thought Tron was going to pop, and I was talking about this yesterday, guys. So I was talking about this yesterday. Someone else asked me about Tron. I said, guys, you know, be careful, because first of all, you have to understand that we are in a bear market, so you can't really think that coins is going to moon. Okay, and another thing I said is, we have this resistance line right here. Okay, so Tron popped up yesterday. We saw this pop right here. So I told you guys, okay, you know, in order for Tron to keep going up, we have to pass this resistance line. And sure enough, I woke up today and I saw it hit this resistance line, and it sold off like crazy. So Vape, my students actually made money from this short right here, Vape. So, you know, you have to understand what market that you are in, and you have to understand that there's multiple ways to make money. It's not just buy. Okay, you can actually make money both ways. So, you know, it's up to you, Vape. At the end of the day, I'm not trying to persuade you. It's up to you if you want to make money. But, you know, I'm just letting you know that you have other options. But, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Bitcoin said you shall not pass. What's going on, Smooth? But, yeah, guys, you said Tron sold off every time it had. Yeah, so Tron has a history of pumping and dumping. So, you just have to understand the charts and read the charts. So, anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Like I said before, if you don't have this course, it's going up as soon as I get off this live stream, so check that out. But anyway, guys, have a good night. Make sure that you study, and make sure that you continue to read the charts. Bitcoin most likely is going to make another move up. A lot of people are going to get happy when when Bitcoin goes up one more time. They're going to get happy. Okay, but I'm telling you right now, this is not sustainable because we're going up in a straight line. Okay, we having these tiny pullbacks, and if you look at the past, you know, every time we go up in a straight line and have tiny pullbacks, guess what happens, guys? Okay, we pull right back and go right back down. Okay, we go up, have these tiny pullbacks right here, and we just go right back down. So this is almost basically a repeat of these big swings right here. So this is not a healthy move on Bitcoin. So most likely once this thing pops up, most people don't get happy. But they don't really understand that, you know, it's a strong possibility that sellers will come in and put, you know, the market will most likely continue to go back down. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate everybody coming through. Exposed said this MF literally touched the line and turned right back down. Too easy. Shout out to you, Exposed. Yeah, man. You know, Tron is one of those coins that was really predictable. Okay, but shout out to you guys for making this money. Shout out to all you guys that's making this money, and you're not waiting for the bull market to come. Okay, shout out to all you guys that's making this money right now, and you're not waiting for that bull market. Okay, there's money to be made right now, so shout out to you guys that's making this money right now. And thanks a lot for coming through. And I'm about to get out of here, guys. So make sure you study this chart. Good night, and you know, just have a good night and study these charts, guys. Talk to you guys later.